Here's another son of his, Brother Terrence. Brother Terrence.
I had the letter B. But this man right here, he's my pastor, but also he's my brother.
Amen.
Yeah. Right. B, I say this man's better than Michael Jackson. He's very blessed and he's highly favored. And I like to thank God for putting him in my life and make me a better man. Each Sunday, he encouraged me, and I feel better each day. So thank you.